Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace your Toyota RAV4 cabin air filter. First, open your glove box on the passenger side. Make sure it's completely empty. Now, gently push inward on both sides of the glove box. This will release the stops, allowing the glove box to swing down further and reveal the filter housing behind it. It's a straightforward first step. With the glove box out of the way, you'll see the rectangular filter housing. There are usually two small clips on either side of the cover. Unclip these and then carefully pull the cover off. Before removing the old filter, take note of the airflow arrow on its side. This is crucial for correct installation of the new one. Now, simply slide the old filter out. Now it's time for your new filter. Remember that airflow arrow? Make sure the arrow on your new filter points downwards, matching the direction you observed earlier. Carefully slide the fresh filter into the housing until it's fully seated. Then, replace the housing cover, ensuring the two clips snap firmly back into place. This secures the filter and prevents air leaks. Finally, let's put everything back together. Lift the glove box back into position, aligning the stops. Gently push the sides inward again to guide them past their retaining points, then push the glove box firmly until it clicks securely into place. You've successfully replaced your cabin air filter. Enjoy the cleaner air and better performance from your vehicle's heating and air conditioning system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.